So in this problem, we need to find the magnitude of the acceleration of these two blocks. Okay. So what are the forces which act on the block M2? And there is a force. There is a force of gravity, which is given by M2 times G. So now there will be acceleration. The blocks will slide down. Now I would like to redraw this problem on a horizontal, as we usually do. So there is block M1. So let me remove all of this. So there is block M1. It is connected to block M2. And the only relevant force which acts in this direction and pulls these blocks down is this force, the force of the gravity, okay, which is given by M2 times G. Okay, so now I can join this system into a single one, okay, with the total mass M1 plus M2. And consider this, and consider the Newton's second law for this system. So which tells me that the mass total times acceleration of this system in the x direction, let me define the x direction over here, equals to the net force which act on this system in the x direction. And the only force which act in the x direction for on the system is M2, is given by the force of this gravity of the second on the second block. It is M2 times G. Okay, or solving this for the acceleration ax, you will obtain M2 divided by the total mass, which is the sum of them. The sum of all masses is M1 plus M2 times G. Okay, so in substituting the numbers, what we know is that M1 is 4 and M2 is 8. So it is 8 kilograms divided by 4 plus 8 is 12 times 9.8 meters per second square. And using our calculator, which again I'm doing right now, so it's 9.8 times 8 divided by 12, you will obtain 6.53 meters per second square. Or the answer is B.